Greetings, fellow nerds, or should I say sorcerers and sorceresses. Motor City Games here. Gonna open my third and final, maybe, booster box of the beta Sorcery Contested Realm. And let's see if I can do this one. Boom. Easy peasy. Box topper squeezy. Alright. We're going to try to make this video a little quicker than all the other ones. Booster pack of Sorcery. Gotta show you that. I also can't believe I haven't done the smell test on the cards. What am I thinking? I've opened 2 booster boxes and I've yet to do a smell test. Well, third box is the charm. Hopefully smell test and when it comes to the cards I pull. So I'm going to do this a little unorthodoxly. People are probably screaming at the screen while I do this, but in the impetus of time, can't think of the right word, I'm just going to try to fly through these suckers so that you don't have to wait 15 minutes to just see if I got anything worth caring about. Alright, so yeah, Updraft Ridge. Oh, Oasis, dual land. Nope, Silence. Okay. Maybe if I just put them right in the box this time. No, another dual land, Ruins. Another Island Leviathan. Oh, a foil Phantom Steed. Beautiful, beautiful. Great artwork by Melissa Benson. And there's the artwork itself, but the foil treatment just knocks it out of the park on that one. Okay. Spirelich. Oh, Mirror Realm. There we go. Copy another site. Handy thing to have. Boneyard is the rare there. Okay. Well, I did that. Whatever. Aqueduct. There is the Aqueduct. There's a dual land. Bedrock. Adept Illusionist. Nice. So far I've gotten 1 foil. Watchtower, Geyser. Oh, there's another mix. So I think I have 2 fire and 1 earth now. Okay. This is going to be a good video to watch because it's going to probably be the least talking I've done in any of them. Ooh. Color out of space. Another Ruins dual land. There's the rare. Another Aqueduct dual land. Oh, a foil Mirror Realm. That's cool. I'll show you the back so you can see the non-foil treatment. That makes me a happy boy. Ah, the smell of a paper bindery. There's the rare. My rare. Last one here that was pre-torn. Always get these backwards. Bedrock. Oh, Alter Investments is my rare. And oh, a foil, Stormy Seas. Cool. Beautiful, beautiful. There's the full art right there. Rubble. And I'm going to pause this while I rip these quick. Okay, now that I've shredded the backs of these, we'll go through these just as quick. Iceberg, Elementalist. Sorry, make these so people can actually see the cards. Okay. Another Watchtower. Oh, Primordial Spring. Nice. Oh, just spell and disenchant. Either side of the window. Oh, and a foil Wind Sylph. Sylph. Beautiful, beautiful artwork. There's the full art. Okay. Oh, another avatar in this one. Iceberg. Valkyries. Oh, foil Vaults of Zool. Nice. That's unique. Here is the full art. And another flame caller. Lighthouse. This is a dual land. Oh, and a foil Pillars of Zeros. And here is the full art. Alright. Shifting Sand, Flank Maneuver, another Mud Flow, another Mixed Terra, so I have 2 Earth and 2 Fire. I'm guessing I'm going to have no air and no water. Oh, Foil Spring River. There you go. Another avatar in this one. Cyclops. Sorry. Black Obelisk. I don't think I had that one yet. Another Spark Mage. Well, I got plenty of avatars. People are complaining that they might not be able to do draft if they don't have avatars. Well, I don't see that as an issue. Between the box topper avatar, Gen Con, I think they gave out avatars to people who wanted to play, and then the fact, at least I've got a ton of this, but I know the boxes have kind of been all over the place for people. Oh. There's another Edge of the World. Okay. Another Cornerstone, Mask of Mayhem. Two more, and then we'll pause again to rip the backs. Polymorph. Oh, that's my rare. Okay. Another Rubble. Rubble on the double. Chain Lightning. Oh, Infiltrate. Great artwork. Another Vital Imp. And I'll pause while I rip these ones as well. And we're back. Another Lighthouse, Dual Land, Chaos Twister. My rare. Okay. Another Mud Flow. Rift Valley. Elite Sight there. Okay. Yeah, sorry. Going too fast here. Another shifting sands. Another primordial spring. Okay. Oh, sinkhole. Destroy a site. It's basically strip mine from magic. I just love the different Infernal Legion. There's I just love the different styles of art. There's something for everybody in this game. Cauldron Crones. And that's one of the things I love about it. Oh, Dwarven Forge. Elite site. Getting down to the nitty-gritty here. Last few packs. Another iceberg. Angel's egg. Cocoons. I think I got the least foils out of all the boxes in this one. There's another aqueduct. Maybe I want to play an aqueduct deck. 1, 2, 3. There's my rare. Ravel. 4 packs left. Puppet Master. I don't think I got one of those yet. Rain of Arrows. So I don't have a full set, I can tell you that. I at least need 2 mixes. Oh, Cloud City. Love that artwork. But I need at least 2 mixes and... Oh, Mariner's Curse foil. 2 mixes and 3 cores. Thank you, Sean. Gosh, look at that. So gorgeous. So I did get 1 more foil. 2 more packs, and then I get the fun of organizing these in a binder. Oh, another Mirror Realm. Yep, that's my rare. Oh, Call to War foil. Gorgeous as the rest of them. And my last pack, Sorcery, Contested Realm Beta. Sling Pixies, Poisonous Dagger, Fireball, and Unland Angler. It's my rare and no foil. So, there you have it. Sorcery, Contested Realm from Erik's Curiosa, however you say it, I don't know, sir. But I thank you for watching, and I hope that you all have a great day.